Tonepie Cat Litter Box Self-Cleaning Automatic App Large 65L Capacity Smart Cat Toilet Litter Tray Aranero Tonepie as a pet item. The buttons are in English and the app can be switched to English, Spanish, French, German, Portuguese, Italian, Russian, Japanese, Korean. Smart Cat Litter Box Automatic Self-Cleaning App Control Pet Toilet Litter Tray Ionic Deodorizer Pet Products Aranero Gato 65L. Smart Cleaning Self-Cleaning Litter Box has automatic cleaning modes. You can watch the cat litter box clean itself versus fighting the dust. The one-click cat litter replace function can empty the old litter at one time, no more scooping. Truly free your hands. Innovative deodorization technology. Self-cleaning cat litter box adopts innovative electronics Ionic deodorizer, which is safe and non-toxic. No need to replace any consumables. The Ionic deodorizer will start working after your cat has finished pooping, reducing odor emissions into the room. Low-maintenance automatic cat litter box is big enough for up to 3 adult cats. Worry-free of replacing cat litter frequently, excellent for anyone who is busy. Cleaning automatic litter box is effortless. It only comes in 2 parts, pretty easy to assemble and disassemble, and you can flush the litter cylinder. Note that the base should not get wet. App Control Automatic Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box can be connected to the network to use the app for remote control when you go travel and can still have the litter box cleaned from wherever you are. And this app lets you know the cat's usage data and when the litter box is full. Moreover, you can make more detailed settings for cleaning mode or your cat litter type, etc. Patented structure design. The design of cat litter box is inspired by the lunar re-entry capsule, has an patented structure that integrates the litter bin and cylinder, so your cat will never get caught in. And the kitten litter box front entry height is 5.9 inches, friendly to short-legged cats. For variety of cat litter, kitten litter box has a specially designed filter with an innovative lightning-shaped structure, suitable for use with plant litter, bentonite litter, clay litter and all other types of cat litter on the market, except crystal cat litters. Product name: Cat Litter Box. Size: 48*51.6 50.5 cm diameter of the door, 24.5 cm noise. Lower than 35 decibels litter capacity. 9L inner space, 65L.